So I thought I would jump back on quick and show you how to do it on your phone, because when I tried it, it was actually quite different, so I just wanted to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a watermark. I'm assuming that you're not just going to create text, otherwise you can just edit the photo and add text. But to create the watermark, you want to choose a blank canvas. And then hit next. And then I want to create my watermark, so I'm going to follow the same process and make the same design as on the website. So I want a circle, and then so I'm going to choose, there's some options down the bottom. I'm going to choose basic, and then I'm going to pick this open circle, and I'm going to change the colour to black. And then I'm going to hit the tick button at the top because I'm finishing up editing the graphic. Now I want to add some text, so down the bottom I'm going to select text. I'm going to try and type on my tiny keyboard at my imaginations. Okay, I'm going to hit done. That gives me my text. Now I want to change the font, so I'm going to select font on the bottom menu, and I'm going to change it to that one, why not? So I'm just going to tap out to save that, and I probably need to change the size in a minute. Yeah, that'll do. Now I'm going to do the curve, so I just select curve and do 100%. And now I'm going to do 2 fingers and pinch inwards till I get it to roughly the size that I like. And then I'm going to add, I'm going to click tick at the top, and now I'm going to add another text, which is just going to be a C, and hit done. Change the font again back to that mono font. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. And then I'm going to click on something else. I just want to have that selected so that I can pinch outwards and change the size of the C, and then click the tick. And you can play around with this as much as you like. I think I'm going to move my imaginations text. Why is it not letting me? I think I have to be in the text menu to edit the text. If I hit text again and I clicked on the area where My Imaginations is written, and now I want to spin it, so I'm going to put 2 fingers on the screen and I'm going to turn in a semicircle. It's a bit fiddly, and then I'm going to just move that down the side, and I'm happy with the position, so I'm going to click tick, and then I'm just going to zoom out to check I like it, and I do. So now I'm going to hit save at the top, and I'm going to click camera roll. Now the reason why I've done that is for some reason it doesn't let you save to the hub on the app version without you having a free trial, a paid membership. So I don't know why that is, because it's different on the website. Anyway, I've saved this to my camera roll, and now I don't need to create a watermark. It's going to be there forever as long as I don't delete it. Don't delete it. Maybe keep a backup just in case you do delete it. So I'm going to come out of here, and I'm going to go back to the main menu just by clicking X until I get back to the main menu. Now I want to edit my photo. I've only got one on here, so I'm just going to go with this one. Normally I'd take a better photo, but It's what I have on my phone right now. So I'm going to click edit. And now I want to add in that watermark. So along the bottom, I'm going to choose graphics. And instead of choosing one of these shapes, I'm going to go to the first option down the bottom, which is photos, and it will take me to my camera roll, and I can choose the icon that I just made, and I can zoom in and out by pinching my fingers, move it to where I like. You can't change the colour when you're adding it as a layer, it just takes the image as it is, but you can change the opacity by using the opacity button, which is the fourth one in on the bottom, and I can make it look more like a watermark, make it smaller or bigger, put it however I like, and when I'm done I click the tick at the top, and then I hit save, and same again, I save it to my camera roll. And then I can come out of this because I don't need it anymore. And I can go to my Photos app and I can click on the picture. And there's my watermarked photo, all ready for me to upload to my social media site. So really simple. Once you get used to the program, it's a bit annoying to start with, but once you know where everything is, and once you've made that original watermark, it's so easy after that because you literally just edit, add a graphic, done.